Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to duplicate a folder in Google Drive. So first step, create a new folder. So I will create my folder, name it my folder, press create. Then you can add to this folder anything you want. So let's say I will add this Premiere icon. And now in order to duplicate this folder, Google Drive doesn't support duplicating the folders, because it takes up much more space than they will need. So you have to right click, download it, then wait while it zip it up, go over to your downloads, save it there, so click downloads, name your folder, my folder, press save, then go to your downloads, click on your my folder zip to unzip it, and then drag, drop the unzipped folder right next to it. Then it will pop up these upload options on you, then click on keep both folders and press upload. Now as you can see, this folder is successfully duplicated, and you can also see which one is the second folder by this one number in these brackets. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.